guys. This is me, and like I said, I will be live on Facebook. I am live on Facebook, I guess. Um, and there were a lot of questions from last time which I really couldn't answer, so I thought I will. There were a lot of questions about if I'm coming to promote in Ranchi and everything. I'm sorry guys, the promotions are almost over. The film releases in Dubai, so this is a big hello to everybody in Dubai. Please watch our film Tum Mintu in Dubai. Okay, I see a lot of people here. Wasim Ahmed, hi. Hardik Parmar, hi. Danish Kidwai, hello. So a lot of hellos. Okay, so yeah, first of all, everybody in Dubai can watch the film today, and I'm super excited because मेरी film Tum Mintu कल theaters में आ रही है. I know because of all this 100 और 500 और 1000 के नोट जो बैन हो गए, there's a lot of stress as to how we're going to adjust to the whole new thing. But I think पैसे तो आ जाएंगे, तुम मिंटू वापस थिएटर्स में नहीं आने वाली. सो प्लीज़ गाइज थोड़ा सा वक्त निकालिए. इट्स अ फैमिली फिल्म. Everybody is made it with a lot of love, so go out with your family, watch it. Raman Verma, I love you too. Murli, oh my god, Nia, you're so lovely. Thank you, Murli. Sanskar, hello. Natarajan, hello. Amit Kumar, love you. Thank you, Amit, for loving me. And yeah, so let's begin with all the questions that you have to ask me, maybe, so that we can start talking. And I know it's not a Sunday and most of you are working, so I don't know how you guys are chatting right now. Hi, I'm in Muscat, we'll watch today. Sergeant Matthews, thank you, Sergeant. Please tell me how you like it and give me your feedback. Abhi Thakur, you look cool in black. I like black. Black is a favorite color, yes. Niklesh Bahane, I like you. I love you. Thank you, Niklesh. I love you too. Samit Jain, love you. Okay, so there are no questions coming right now. There are a lot of hellos and there are a lot of love you. I just want to say I love you all so much. And last Facebook Live, of course, was so much fun. I went through all your comments. It was so lovely, so overwhelming, and it made me so happy. How are you? Sumit Kumar is asking me how are you. I'm very good, Sumit. Just a bit nervous now that the film is releasing tomorrow. Mitesh, best of luck for the movie. Thank you, Mitesh. I really need it. What do you think about Pakistan? Shawal Khan. I think it's a lovely place. Adi hi, looking lovely. Thank you, Adi. Rahul Talwar says, Nehu, I love you. I love you too. What about Canada? I don't, as in, is it releasing in Canada? I'm sure it is. I have no idea. Canada is a lovely place also. I was studying in Vancouver for my internship, so it was a lot of fun. Love the place. Hello, when your movie will release is Takir Leo. Takir releases tomorrow. Tomorrow's a Friday. It releases tomorrow. Please go watch it. Sumit says, I love you. Okay. So yeah, I mean it releases in all the places in the UAE today itself. So I'm waiting for all your messages, all your response, how you guys like it. Please do tell me how you guys like the film, and of course in India it's releasing tomorrow. All the best for your movie, Manas Dokle. Thank you, Manas. I need it. Jay Rajdev says Tum Mintu will rock. All the best. Thank you, Jay. That really means a lot. Celine says nice looking. The film or me? I don't know. Best of luck for your movie, Manoj. Thank you, Manoj. Thank you so much. Abhishek Dhiran, hi. Hi, Abhishek. Okay, nice to see you, Mon Chatterjee. It's nice to see you too. It's nice to see you too. Prashant Joshi, hi. I'm just thinking if I should Ikvar Punjabich Bolye, Rippy Singh Chima. Who's my costume designer? I usually wear my own stuff unless it's like for a film and it keeps changing according to the film. Watching live from South Korea. Thank you so much for watching me live from South Korea. Jayant Kumawat says, I saw your movie trailer and that was awesome. Did you already see it in Dubai? I'm confused. Himanshu Dhinga, you're looking lovely in Tomato. Thank you, Himanshu. I hope you're watching the film this Friday with friends and everybody. Looking beautiful, Neha Atif from Bahrain. Thank you, Atif. Thank you. That's really sweet of you. Okay. So I had a lot of questions from the last Facebook chat, which I really couldn't answer all of them. And here I don't see you guys. Nikhil, hi Nikhil, hi Raza, hi Ganesh, hi Ripin. Aryan Patel, how are you? I'm good, Aryan. I'm good. I'm just a little nervous because the film releases tomorrow and excited. So yeah, just that. Not answer. What did I not answer? Okay. Looking awesome, Shahid Khan. Thank you, Shahid. That's lovely. Vijay Khan, hello. Says hi. Soumyadeep Saha says hi. So hi. Ankit Dukania says hi. Hi. Okay, so there are a lot of highs. Okay, so there's a question. Hi from Rajdeep Samantri from the last time, which I couldn't answer. And he said, hi and love you in the trailer. What do you think about the music video of your sister? Did you enjoy her work? And when can I see you both together? I love her to bits. So everything that she does, I love. And it's her first, so it was amazing to see her finally on the big screen. And yeah, I want to work with her. So maybe very soon, as soon as someone casts us together, it's going to be a lot of fun. Yes. Okay. Okay, there was a question from Saurabh Mehta last time, which says, your acting is awesome, Neha. Just a question, why do you act so rarely in movies? I remember last movie of yours that I watched was Crook. Can you elaborate on this? So Saurabh, I did a lot of films after Crook as well. Probably you've not had the opportunity to see them. Yeah, I do agree that I don't do so many films as other people very often, but I am trying to change that. So after Tummin, I am going to sign up a lot more films and do a lot more work. Hi Neha ma'am, I'm watching now Dubai. Okay, do tell me how you like it, Asghar. Hello from Kolkata, Sagarika. Mukul Jaiswal, hello. Abhishek Singh Rajput, hello. Ronald Benjamin, hi. Nasir, hi. Best of luck for Tummin too, Ajay Chaudhary. And yeah, you're looking so pretty as always. Love you all. Thank you, Ajay. That's really sweet of you. Take care of yourself. Enjoy your life. I will enjoy my life, and I hope you guys are enjoying your. It's not the weekend, almost the weekend. So I hope you guys are enjoying your weekend. This weekend in Tummin 2 is on cards. Gautam. Thank you, Gautam. That is, your lips are so sweet. Thank you. आपकी मूवी में how does this, I can't really go back to it. Watching live from USA, when the movie going to release in USA, Dhaval Metre. I'm assuming it should be releasing soon because it releases in India tomorrow. I'm not too aware of when it's releasing in the US. I think at the same time, if I'm not wrong. Any change do you feel now? Change to what? Why do you love in the film? Shreyansh Kumar, why do I love in the film? It's a love story. It's all about love. So yeah, love is an important part of the film. Yeah. Like your song, Ishq Mubarak, Sufyan Ali. Thank you, Sufyan, for liking it. You're looking good in the movie. Best of luck for your movie. Shashank Dwivedi. Thank you, Shashank. We've all worked very hard, and I hope you like it when you see it. Rajni Chaudhary, which toothpaste do you use? I guess you want to say that my smile is good. Thank you. I'll take it as a compliment. And I use some regular toothpaste, dude. I don't know which one. I'm from New York, eagerly waiting for your movie Tummin 2. Hope it'll be a blockbuster. Thank you. Mustafa, Tariq, Taneen, I want more movies from you. Of course, I'm going to do a lot more movies now after Tummin, and that's the plan. Not such long gaps anymore. I don't want to do that. Preetpal Singh, thank you so much, Preetpal Singh, for that lovely compliment. Your best movie, Saqib Pathan. It has to be Tumbin because you know I worked so hard on it and it's releasing this Friday. So I mean tomorrow. So that is the most important film for me right now. Sing a song for us. I did sing a song for you guys last time, Rabindra Sai, and I don't want to scare you guys with my vocal talents. Hi, I loved your song Teri Faryad. Thank you so much for loving Teri Faryad. Hi, yeah, tell about your future movie plans. Loved you in Crook. Thank you, Shubham Gautam. Thank you for loving Crook. It was my first, so very special again. And yeah, this time I'm going to do a lot more films. So as and when I keep doing films, I'll keep talking about it. Vikas Bhasin, Neha, I love you. Come on, let's. Amit, you're so good. Thank you, Amit. Thank you. Okay, so someone says Naman Sathe says आपकी sis बहुत cute है. I agree. Aisha is very cute. Even I find her very cute. Thank you, Saif Hussain, for that lovely compliment. Thank you, Rahul Nanu, for that lovely compliment again. Nitin Sen, yeah, thanks for coming live. Actually, thank you, Nitin, that you guys are here chatting with me live because this is something I really enjoy because I get to interact with you guys one-on-one and I'm really enjoying it. Lovely, and Teri Faryad is awesome. Thank you, guys, Meher, for that lovely compliment. Shreya Sharma, smile. Thank you. Okay, so there are a lot of highs and hellos, which of course there are. There were a lot of questions from last time that I couldn't take because you know these questions because I'm new to Facebook Live, so I couldn't really go through all the questions. There are so many that keep coming, so I'm going to take a few from here maybe. I have seen the previous version. I hope this one will be similar with same emotions. All the best, and I like your eyes. Nakul Chauhan. Nakul, the first one was, so first Tumbin was a love story. So this Tumbin also is a love story, and there's a lot of emotions. There's a lot of love. So there, please carry your tissue box with you because I think you are going to enjoy it. It is a tearjerker, so please go and watch it. Someone says Nachna Ondani was lovely. I just missed the name. Thank you for loving that song. That's a new dance number. So yeah, that's the one song that probably you can dance to in a club. Yeah. So trying Zalim Spray, Milan Das Zalim Spray. That means you've seen Jayanta Bhai Ki Love Story. Thank you for watching the film and liking it. When do you come to Dubai side, Zada? We don't come to Dubai. Actually, we were supposed to, but then we've just been promoting here in Bombay, and there's a lot to do here. Film releases tomorrow. So we couldn't, but I do visit Dubai all the time. Ishq Mubarak is the best, Saifi Sheikh says. Thank you, Saifi. Thank you for that. I'm waiting for this movie, Sanjay Casey. Sanjay, it comes out tomorrow, so please go watch it and tell me how you guys like it. And you know, all the comments on the Facebook Live, I can read. So please leave a comment as to how you like the film, what you like in the film, and then I can go through all of it. So please do send it to me. Okay. Which is your favorite Hollywood show, like a TV show? I just finished watching Stranger Things. It was quite nice. A lot of others actually. I like watching a lot of TV shows. Vijay Limbu, Neha, why are you not responding to me? Why? I just did and I can't see all the messages together. So sorry, but I'm trying to read as many as I can. Harpinder is saying you look like Angelina Jolie. Thank you. I really like her work, and she's done amazing work for herself. So you know that's a that's a great compliment. You looking today? Thank you, thank you. Please book movie ticket for me. No cash with me. Okay, so that's Adish Joshi. Adish, we've got so many offers. Yeah, you can book tickets from Book My Show, and Paytm has got discounts as well. So everything is from your credit card and debit card. And I know you don't have cash in handy, so there are other options. Please try and avail it. And I wish I could book tickets for all of you, but you know I can't really reach out. But you guys have to book your tickets for me. You know, if you guys love my work. Shubrat Kumar Das, I'm very good, Neha. How are you, Neha ji? I'm very good. Please change your hairstyle. Like how? Like what do you want me to do? Is that better? I will try to next time. but I didn't, like when I dress up I do look good, but I thought Facebook chat is fine. I watched all your movies. When are you coming to Bhagalpur? I mean, as soon as I can, actually, maybe once the film releases, I will. I'm your big fan. Your first movie, Crook Nafees Chaudhary. Thank you. What about working with Varun Dhawan, Manik Rajput? Of course, I want to work with everybody. Book My Show, dear. Yeah, Book My Show is a good option also for watching the film. Okay, so coming back to all the questions that I couldn't answer the last time, I'm going to try to answer a few here. Nice dressing. Thanks, Kaushik. I am glad you like what I'm wearing. Hi, Nia. I want to see you in an action movie. Shubham Khedekar. I want to see myself in an action movie too, so I want to do an action movie real soon. Prince Bhardwaj, love you. I love you too. Your face is very innocent, Rashid Rana. Thank you, Rashid. That's really sweet of you. What about movies in Hollywood? I don't have any offers. I just did a Chinese film, which kind of is going to the Oscars, so that's a good thing. And of course, as and when it happens, it will be great. Why don't you reply to any of my comments? Radwanul Islam. Because I didn't see any of your comments. I saw it now, so I am answering. All-time favorite celebrity, Kate Moss is someone I really like. There's someone at the door, so you guys will have to wait and I will see you back. Sorry guys, so my brother was at the door. He's, my whole family is here because the film's releasing tomorrow, so they wanted to here support me through this. My mother's here, my dad's coming in, my brother, my sister, everybody's here. So yeah, very excited about tomorrow. Thank you for all the love that you guys give me on the Facebook live chat every single time. That makes me so happy, and I'm so lucky that I have you guys in my life. Who was at the door? My brother, like I already said. So yeah, I mean, coming back to a few questions that I was supposed to take from the last time. Ankit Peter Nathan says, how did you feel stepping into Tum Bintu knowing it had been one of the classic love stories of Bollywood? Was it challenging? You know, I just did it as a new film that I was part of, so there was not like, I was not stressing over it. I just did my best, and you know, it's here for all of you to see. Now my dog's acting crazy. Please ignore her. You know, she needs some bikis to eat. Okay, tomorrow is my birthday. We'll go for your movie for sure. Prateek Sherawat. Thank you, Prateek. That's lovely. You're spending your birthday watching my film. That makes me very happy. Who is your favorite actor? Lot of them. I like a lot of actors. Shah Rukh Khan is one of my favorites. Salman, Hrithik. So a lot of them. And Ranbir Kapoor. I love you so much. Do you have 1000 chain? I do actually. I finally started collecting it because all the ATMs have been very kind in doing that for us. What's your favorite color? My favorite color is black and white mostly, but then I like it a lot. Raksha, choker pout for us, please. Okay, Raksha, that here you go. Karthik Jaiswal, please ignore Joy. She's acting funny today. Here. All the best for your movie, Karthik. Thank you. Who's your most inspiring actor? Akash Babu. Like I've been saying everywhere, you know, I've been watching Shah Rukh Khan films and I like what he's done so far in his career, and I love watching him. So yeah, maybe him. Your new movie, best of luck, Vijay Nirala. Thank you, Vijay. That's really sweet of you. Okay. There's again a request to please sing a song from Tum Bintu. I think probably that would be a good note to end this Facebook chat on. So again, I'm just going to request all of you that please go watch my movie. It releases tomorrow. Tell me your feedback, how you like it, what you like about it, what you don't like about it. So I want to hear all of it. And Thank you for always taking out the time and being here with me. You know, it really means a lot. I am going to try and sing Teri Faryad for all those who have been requesting for Teri Faryad. And please, I know that I'm not a great singer, but I'm just doing this for you guys. So anyone who is offended by bad singing, please don't stay online anymore. And I love you all so much. जागते जागते एक उम्र कटी हो जैसे तेरी फरियाद मेरे दिल में दबी हो जैसे Okay, that was Teri Faryad. Thank you guys for being here, giving me so much love, and I love you all. Bye bye, and I'm going to see you on yet another Facebook Live soon. So leave me questions, leave me anything that you want to know, because this time around I'm going to make note of all the questions and I'm going to answer them on the next Facebook chat. Love you all.